In physics today, I'll be taking you production of wave. Naturally, wave is any disturbance that travels and transfers energy from one point to another without causing any permanent displacement of the medium itself. Wave is classified into two according to material medium. The first is mechanical wave, while the second is electromagnetic wave. Now, we want to discuss mechanical wave. Mechanical wave is a wave that requires material medium for their propagation. Example is water wave. Now, this is a water wave. I want to explain some features of this. This is a point. This point on this graph is known as node. And a node is a point on a stationary wave where there is no displacement of the medium. While this is what is called the crest. This crest is the maximum upward displacement of the medium. While this is called trough. This trough is known as the downward maximum displacement of the medium. When you have two successive, this is a successive crest, this is another successive crest. Two successive crests will give you a wavelength. Also, when you have two successive troughs, it's also what? A wavelength. Then we can increase the frequency. If I increase the frequency of the particle, it give me more amplitude than the initial one. You can see the amplitude for the other one because the frequency has been increased. You can see the disturbance. This water wave here is a disturbance here, and this is a pattern of waveform. And the wave has been it has been transferring energy from one point to another. If I try to reduce the amplitude, you can see the amplitude has been reduced. The pattern of waveform has also what? Reduced because the amplitude has been reduced. Because the crest form, the trough. Let me slow it down so that we can see the pattern again. This has been slowed down. The pattern of waveform, which is this trough, crest, trough, normal. It's very fast now. At the trough, the crest, the pattern of waveform, when I increase the amplitude and also the frequency. When I slow it, we can see it clearly. The way the pattern of waveform. Your crest, your trough, your crest, your trough, and that's what is called the propagation of water wave. And this water wave also can be classified into two, which is our transverse wave and longitudinal wave. What do you understand by longitudinal wave? A wave is said to be longitudinal if the direction of travel of the wave is same as the direction of vibration of the medium. Such wave is also known as what? Longitudinal wave. Another example of mechanical wave is sound wave. This is a pattern of waveform in a sound wave. You can see this traveling of what? Of sound in the medium. And this is a pattern of waveform. This is called a circular wave. That's the spreading out of wave in an opening. When wave is being spread out in an opening, this is a pattern of waveform. This is also another example of a mechanical wave. We also have another example to talk about the light wave. But this is also the pattern of waveform. The spread out of a wave in an opening, which is also the pattern of waveform. All these are examples of mechanical wave because they all require material medium for their propagation. In conclusion to what we have learned today, we're able to define wave and we're able to classify wave according to material medium into two with examples. Now I will give you this assignment so that by next class, bring the assignment. Say 4 differences between mechanical wave and electromagnetic wave. I come again, state 4 differences between mechanical wave, and electromagnetic wave. See you next class. Thanks.